wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, today I will present a storytelling. The title is Kakek Bodo Waterfall. My name Vanya Naula Zita Ramadhani. You can call me Vanya. I'm 13 years old. I'm from SMPN 1 Prigen. A long time ago, in a small village, nestled at the foot of the mighty mountain, lived the kind-hearted old man named Kakek Bodo. Despite his age, he was a diligent worker, serving a wealthy Dutch family. Day in and day out, he tirelessly tended to their every need. One day, a profound change came over Kakek Bodo. He felt a strong calling to leave the world behind and to seek spiritual enlightenment. Much to the surprise of his employers, he requested to be released from his duties. With a heavy heart, they agreed. Kakek Bodo ventured deep into the forest, searching for a place of solitude. He wandered for many days until he stumbled upon a hidden valley. In the heart of this valley, he found a breathtaking waterfall cascading down a sheer cliff face. The sun filled him with the peace and tranquility. Kakek Bodo decided to make this place his new home. He built a small hut near the waterfall and began to meditate and practice spiritual exercises. Days turned into the weeks, and the weeks turned into the months. As Kakek Bodo grew closer to nature, he developed a deep connection with the spirit of the forest. It is said that he gained extraordinary powers during his time in seclusion. News of Kakek Bodo's disappearance spread throughout the village. Many feared for his safety, while others believed he had become a wise and powerful hermit. When the Dutch family heard that, Kakek Bodo had chosen a life of solitude. They were both disappointed and angry. They felt betrayed and mocked his decision, calling him Kakek Bodo, which means foolish old man in Indonesia. Despite their insult, Kakek Bodo remained undisturbed. He continued his spiritual journey, helping those in need whenever he could. It is said that he used the power to protect the village from natural disaster. When Kakek Bodo finally passed away, he was buried near. The villagers honored his memory by naming a waterfall after him. Over time, the legend Kakek Bodo grew, and the waterfall became a sacred place. People believe that the spirit of the Kakek Bodo still resides there, watching over the forest and its inhabitants. That's all the story Kakek Bodo Waterfall. And I hope you enjoy. Goodbye and see you guys.